Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Get.io. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Bitget application. Once you have logged into your Bitget account, after that you just need to click on the Assets tab at the bottom of right corner and you will be landed on this page. Here you need to tap on the spot at the top and you will see here a withdraw option. Simply tap on withdraw and here you can see withdrawal type. So you just have to simply tap on the on-chain withdrawal. Now from this list of cryptocurrencies, in this search bar, you have to simply search for USDT and you will be able to see this USDT tether at the top. So simply tap on it. After that, you will be landed on this Send USDT page. Here you will need to paste your withdrawing details in order to transfer your USDT from Bitget to Get.io. In order to find this wallet address, minimize your Bitget application and now you have to open your Get.io application. Once you have simply logged into your Get.io account, after that you just need to tap on the Assets tab at the bottom of right corner and here you can see this deposit button. So you just have to tap on this deposit and now click on the on-chain deposit from here. After that, from this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT and tap on it. Here you need to select a network. You can select any network according to your requirements, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose all your funds. I'm going to select Binance Smart Chain. So you simply tap on this Binance Smart Chain at the top and here you can see your USDT Binance Smart Chain wallet address along with the QR code. So you just have to copy this address and after copying, reopen your Bitget application and now you need to paste your copied address in this address bar. Now in the withdrawal network, you need to select same network here also. Simply select Binance Smart Chain here too. And after that, enter the withdrawal amount, means enter the amount of USDT you are transferring from your Bitget account to Get.io. Once you have successfully filled all this information, click on the withdraw button at the bottom. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Bitget to Get.io, and that's how you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Get.io. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel.